Oh, that's going to be fun. Go on, mate, you're alright, is this some... I don't want you to...
Right, now. I don't feel I've got any weight here at all. Just so weight is what I'm doing.
Do you want to hold him? You alright? You need to try and hold it.
Yeah,
I need to
you
get
more
up,
weight
don't I?
there.
Yeah.
That's the
I
problem.
need more weight where?
Well, you need someone helping you on that side, because that's where the weight is.
Go that way, come back that way a bit then. Get someone on this side.
I hold it there, but I'm literally got no weight.
Oh, right, really? Well,
So it must be.
Can someone not get on that side?
I'm worried about that.
Yeah, just watch it, even in the middle. Even in the middle of the machine. In the middle, mate. In the middle.
Come up, walk
Come
up.
on.
Ready now.
Holy moly.
You got it?
Right, you got the stair thing there.
We need to go up. So that you can go back in. Huh?
I'm going to go the other side of the road then.
Sorry? You want me to come round the other side?
Yeah.
Hang on.
Hang on, stop.
Wait.
Someone's got to go the other side of this road here.
You're in the...
I've got a lot of weight at the moment.
You got it, Rich? No. Right, you got it. I've got to let go.
Wait.
Yes. Yeah.
Go on.
Yeah, you might have to go onto the floor.
Lower it.
Yeah. Just put it on the floor for a minute.
Oh, she might have it.
Down a bit.
And you've got to take a whack in the wall.
You got some more paint in your
You've
can?
got that little gap match.
How much you got?
You don't
Go there. Go.
No,
How's it gonna go down?
You
No,
can't,
we're
it's
wedged
touching.
against the wall.
Can you get in and up?
We're in.
Yeah, you just go up, right?
It's going to have to go up.
What's your wall? Your wall's
Oh well.
right, so let's spin it.
Right, I've got it.
No worries.
Put it down there. Fingers. Get back on its side.
Blimey.
Right, towards them. Okay, and drop down.
It's everywhere. Can we lift it? Is it on?
Yeah, so I'm just going to put a couple of bodies in.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right
We'll lift it.
No, it's not.
Yours is not on.
into the distance.
Thank